Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of one of our bespoke caravans here at Grantham, that being the Siena 4SB 2021. So based on the Sprite Major 4SB with some fantastic additional features that we've hand selected here at Grantham. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. So you'll notice straight away from the front, you've got our bespoke Siena chrome logo on the front here. Generous size front locker box for two 6kg gas bottles, light items such as your step, your steady winder and other small amenities you might have. We've added the ATC trailer control system to our Siena, making a far safer and secure tow. You've got an exterior barbecue point, a side access hatch to underneath the front couches, and also an exterior 240 volt socket. You've got our bespoke Siena logo and also Siena, the bespoke decal that you see going down the side of the caravan that really shows it off as a bespoke caravan to us here at Grantham. In this particular model, you've got a side access hatch to underneath that transverse island bed, and the transverse island bed 4-berth on a single axle being one of the most popular caravans on the market at the moment. Stepping inside, you've got a generous under-counter fridge, stainless steel sink, 3 gas hob burners, benefiting from a combination oven and grill with pan storage also located underneath. A white locker finish to the central kitchen area with an easy usable height microwave. And then the new for 2021, the Arale Zen wood grain, so stepping away from the white in the rest of the caravan from 2020. A panoramic sunroof located at the front, coupled with a medium-sized Hecky light, allowing a huge amount of light into the caravan, giving a fantastic feeling of space. The PIR sensor for the alarm that you see with the flashing green light there is an addition in our Siena range. On the front binnacle, you've got USB points, 240 volt sockets, pull-out short table and also drawer with storage underneath. This is where our Siena really comes into its own in our hand-selected bespoke fabric scheme. You will not find this fabric scheme in any other caravan on the market, and I truly believe we've made a fantastic choice for 2021 in the matching curtains against the lovely soft pastel finish and very durable, high-quality fabric scheme. Other areas of the caravan, you've got a storage cupboard located there, benefiting from the Truma blown air heating system in this particular caravan, also having the Swift Command system and app where you can download, control the caravan at a distance, but also by Bluetooth whilst inside. Digital DAB radio, and in this cupboard here, you've got an auxiliary point there where you can plug in your own device should you want to play your own music. So stepping to the bedroom area, the transverse island bed that you see here with the knuckles there, so it's just in the day position at the moment. Generous size wardrobe with storage underneath. Here you see this clip here pulls across to this area here to close off the bedroom area to give you a bit of privacy. You've got a second television point located in the bedroom area to pop a TV on the side should you wish, and a nice large vanity mirror with cupboard behind, and then matching headboards dotted throughout. That wood grain fabric scheme going through to the bedroom area again, and further wardrobe space there. Stepping towards the rear, you've got a wonderfully spacious individual shower cubicle. Further storage in the rear with a cupboard and shelves, and a high quality of finish on the sink with the Siena logo located on the vanity mirror. 2-lay bike rack fixings on the back of this caravan. Should that be a need or a consideration for you, you can pop a bike rack on the back. And there also is your Thetford toilet. So we're really pleased with the 2021 Siena range, and as you can see, fantastically well spec'd and great value for money against the standard major range of Swift. If you've got any queries or questions about this particular model or this video, please feel free to get in contact with us. Our sales executives can take you on a one-to-one video tour should you wish to really get into the nitty-gritty and some of the areas located around this caravan that I may not have covered in the video. We look forward to hearing from you, and we hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.